In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and effectively find the word count of your document using a simple tool that's built into your word processor. This is a really handy feature, especially if you're working on a project with strict word count guidelines or if you're just curious about the length of your current piece of writing. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this. First, make sure you have your document open and ready to go. Once you're set, direct your attention to the top of your screen. Here, you'll find a menu bar that runs across the window, offering a variety of options. What we're interested in today is the Tools menu. Go ahead and click on Tools, and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu of various features designed to assist you with your document. Among these features is the one we're looking for. Select Word Count from this menu. Now, as soon as you click Word Count, a pop-up window will appear on your screen, providing you with a wealth of information. This is your one-stop shop for all things related to your document's length and size. Let's break down what's included in this pop-up. Right at the top, you'll find the number of pages your document contains. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to fit your content into a specified number of pages, or if pagination is a concern. Below that, you'll see the word count. This crucial piece of information shows you the total number of words in your document. It's the primary data point for those working against a word count requirement, whether it's for a school assignment, an editorial piece, or even a social media post. You'll be able to see immediately whether you're within the desired range, or if you need to add a bit more content or trim it down. Next, you'll find the character count, and this is divided into two parts, with spaces and without spaces. This level of detail can be incredibly insightful, especially if you're working on projects where character count is more significant, like with certain digital advertisements, or where you need to know the text's exact length without any spaces influencing the number. If you're someone who prefers to have this information readily available as you type, there's an easy solution. Within that same pop-up window, you'll notice an option to check a box labeled Display Word Count while typing. Selecting this option means the word count will be displayed constantly on your screen as you work on your document, allowing you to keep track of your writing progress in real time. Once you've made this choice, simply click OK to apply these settings and close the pop-up window. And there you have it. You've now enabled the word count feature to assist you in monitoring your document's length effortlessly. Whether you're writing novels 1,000 words at a time or crafting concise professional reports, having these tools at your fingertips is sure to make your writing process more efficient and less stressful.